So when it comes to planet Earth, one of the first things that is happening, or that was happening when it was first formed, was that it was burning. It had been ignited by the sun. And it burned and it burned and it burned until that burning went beneath the surface, right? And towards the center of the globe, to eventually become what we know as the central sun, which those who have looked into the idea of a hollow earth know all about the central sun. So that burning went beneath the surface. So you had a bunch of chemicals that went beneath and was burning. That would eventually form the central sun. The next thing that happened was the Earth sharer's water was pushed into the magnetic field, and it rained and it rained and it rained and it rained, right? So eventually that water followed the burning and went beneath the surface, right? Until it met those chemicals. And when it met those chemicals, obviously you had a reaction. And these reactions began to build until you had a series of explosions. Some explosions might have sent masses flying up and out the atmosphere. They might have been that powerful. Some of the explosions might have sent masses flying upwards, and they would land in different places on the planet, if that makes sense, to become high places like your mountains, your hills, your mounds, etc. And sometimes the explosion would just be enough to push the Earth upwards, but without separation. So what these explosions did was create gaps, was create caves, create caverns. At a later date, beings would come, see these caves and these caverns and these gaps, and be like, you know what? Yeah, this is a nice spot. I'm gonna chill here. I'm gonna build my little city here. This
is my spot right here.
This is nice, you know. So some of the gaps will be filled by water, hence you have places such as waterfalls.
Well, yeah.
And some of these gaps, the beings would come and be like, yeah, I like it here.